Standard 8, your Arun sir, going to revise biology, and the topic is flower. Very easy topic. Okay. So we are going to revise flower. First thing, what is a flower? It is a reproductive shoot. Okay. It is a reproductive part. A reproductive shoot where leaves are modified to become flower. Where leaves are modified. Very clear that it is a reproductive shoot where leaves are modified to form flower. That part is clear, that what is flower? It is a reproductive part. Now flower may be, since it is a reproductive part, may be male or may be female. If the flower is male or female, if male or female, then it is called unisexual. And male and female both, then it is called bisexual. Flower may be male or female. If it is either male or female, then it is called unisexual. If male and female both parts are present in the flower, then it is called bisexual. Now let us discuss about the parts of a bisexual flower. Important parts of a bisexual flower. First, the part is stalk, or we can say it pedicel. This is the part this part is the stalk or pedicel. Now, what is the function of a stalk or pedicel? Support the flower. Its function is to support the flower. Very clear. Next part is receptacle or thalamus. Receptacle or thalamus. You can see the upper part, this part, cup-like structure. Okay. Tip of a stalk. It is the cup-shaped tip of stalk. So cup-shaped tip of a stalk is called as receptacle or thalamus. Now flower may be complete flower or incomplete flower, and that depends on the verb. Next part is the verb. In a complete flower, all the four verbs are present. Four verbs are present. And in incomplete flower, any of the verb, one or two verb, may be absent. Okay. So what are these four verbs? These four verbs are, first is calyx, second is corolla, third is androecium, and fourth one is gynoecium. So dear children, four valves are there in a flower: calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. If all the four valves are present, the flower is called as complete flower. Now, let us discuss in detail about these four valves. The first valve is the calyx, and calyx is the green part, lower part of the flower, which is green in color. It is green part, and function is protection and photosynthesis. Protection and photosynthesis. One unit of calyx, since whole whorl is called as calyx, one unit is called as sepal. So this part is clear, that the lower part of the flower, which is green in color, protects the flower and does the work of photosynthesis, that is the calyx. One unit of calyx is called as sepal. Coming to the next part. Next valve is the corolla. Next valve is the corolla. Corolla is the colored part, and it is colored to attract the insects for pollination. Okay. And one important question I have told, that flower which blooms in the night, they are white in color, because white flower can be seen by the insects during night time. Colored can't be seen. So colored part, and function is to attract the insect, to attract the insects for pollination. Okay. And one unit of corolla, one unit is called as petal. Very clear? So corolla is the colored part, function to attract the insect for pollination, and one unit of corolla is called as petal. Coming to the third word. Third one is the androecium. Okay, and it is the male part. Male, sign knowing, male part. And naturally, function of male part will be to produce the male gamete or male sex cell for reproduction. So it is the male part, and one unit is called as stamen. Very clear? One unit of the androecium is called as stamen. If you will see, one unit is like this. This part is the filament, and this part is the anther. And anther are what? Two anthers are there. So they are bilobed. And if you will cut the anther, and you will see in the microscope, 4 chambers you can see. This way, 4 chambers are there. And these 4 chambers contain some powdery material. And these powdery material are the pollen grains. And pollen grains are the male gamete of the flower. So, androecium part is clear. Male part of the flower, one unit is called as stamen. Stamen contains filament and anther. Anther are bilobe. Each lobe has got 2 chambers and pollen grains are present in the anther. Very clear? Next, coming to the 4th word. The 4th word is the gynoecium. Gynoecium. And gynoecium is the female part. This is the sign of female part. Naturally, if it is the female part, the function will be to produce female gamete or egg. Okay. So female part, 1 unit of gynoecium, 1 unit is called as carpel or pistil. Pistil or carpel. Now let us say this is the 1 unit of gynoecium, means it is pistil. If you will see the pistil in detail, the upper part is called as stigma, middle part style, and lower part is the ovary. Ovary contain the female gamete and the female gamete is the ovule. Very clear? Stigma is the place where the pollen grain lands for the pollination. Style, the middle part of the pistil, and ovary contains the female gamete, the ovules. So 4 bulbs we have understood, the 4 bulbs of the flower, complete flower or a bisexual flower are calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Now, is it necessary that all the 4 bulbs will be present in a flower? Not necessary. If any of the bulb is missing, then the flower is incomplete flower, and if all present, the flower is complete flower, and any absent, incomplete flower. Now, what are the essential parts of the flower and what are non-essential? Try to understand. Essential part. Essential parts. These essential parts are also called as reproductive parts. Okay. And reproductive parts are stamens and carpels. Stamen is the male 1 unit and carpel is the female 1 unit. Means androecium and gynoecium. If we were talking, that is androecium and gynoecium, and that is the stamen and carpel. They are the essential part. And function is to directly concerned with the reproduction. And non-essential parts are Non-essential parts are calyx and corolla. Calyx and corolla. They are the non-essential parts. Their function is to help in what? They are helping or protecting parts. They are helping or protecting parts. So dear children, we have understood about the essential and non-essential parts. Today up to this much. In the next video, the rest part of the flower we will revise. Thank you very much.